Hello, I'm going to show you how to make the payment for the CapCut Pro license. You'll need an iPhone and your debit card information on hand. First, find the Wallet app on your iPhone. Once there, click on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Select debit or credit card in the window and follow the instructions to add your card information to Apple Wallet. After you finish adding the card information, the new card will be saved in your Apple Wallet and can be used to purchase the CapCut Pro license on your iPhone. The next thing to do is go to Settings and type Wallet and Apple Pay in the search bar. Click on it when it appears as an option. Now go to Transaction Defaults and select Default Card to choose the card you want to use for the payment. Select the card, and if you go back, you will see the name of the card to verify is the card we want to use. Now, open the CapCut app on your iPhone and click on Sign In with email. Enter the credentials and click Continue. You might see either the profile window or the home page. Both will show Join Pro or Pro at the top of the screen to upgrade the account. For example, on my profile screen, click on Join CapCut Pro to see all the prices associated with CapCut Pro. Select the plan you want to pay for and click Purchase, then follow the instructions to make the payment. Since we added the new debit card and set it as the default payment method, Apple Pay will use the new card we assigned. This ensures that the correct card is charged. After the payment is made, the account would be upgraded to Pro and all the features and settings will be now available.